Welcome back everybody to the channel, and today I'll be teaching you how to make money on TikTok. Because if you are still just scrolling on TikTok, wasting your life away and not making no money off the app, what are you doing? So today I'm gonna put you guys on the sauce. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. For the first step, the first and most obvious thing, you need to have a TikTok account. So go to the Apple Store, go to your Android, whatever it's called, Android Play Store. Go download TikTok and go create an account. Boom. You got the first two steps out the way. After you do that, go ahead, if you're making a personal account or a business account, personalize it, add your little bio, add your Instagram, add a profile picture, and then once you have all that done, it's time for the most important step: posting your first video. What a lot of people do not tell you is that your first video is like so much more likely to go viral, because TikTok is trying to test who your audience is and all that. If it's a good video, it's gonna go viral. If you post a Porsche and it's your first video, you made a new account, it's probably gonna go viral. It's probably gonna get like 100,000 views, 50,000 views. But if you just post like some random video for your first video, of course it's not gonna go viral. So that first video is really your most important video. You need to make sure that it is perfect. Everything is perfect. But so you guys aren't second guessing me about my advice, here is my main account on TikTok. As you guys can see, we are at 80,000 followers, almost 81,000. But my views have been kind of low lately. I've been testing out like what content works and what doesn't work. So now that I found what content works, I will definitely go all in and expect 100K within this next month or two. But also, one thing about me, what other people do not do, I have about 2 TikTok accounts that I use, my main page and then our business page. I post about 3 times a day on each account. So that can be up to 8 videos or 6 videos a day. So if you want to do this, it's definitely a grind. Nobody is more consistent than me. On YouTube, I will post like every single day or every other day, but you know, it's kind of hard because my editors cannot edit the videos that fast, especially with some of them being a little bit more longer. But that is my main page right there. I'm gonna go ahead and go to my business page and show you guys. So on my business page, which is Grow Locker, if it'll focus, there we go, come on now. My Grow Locker page, it is at 27,000 followers. Also, I recently had a viral video. Here's my most viral video on that account. This video got 1.5 million views, 1,700 shares, and 171,000 likes. So that is my most viral video on that account. On this account, I have had multiple viral videos, 1.5 million views, 500,000 views, 400,000 views, 300,000 views, and 170, 200,000, 300,000. So yeah, this account gets a lot of views every so often. I probably have a viral video like 2, 3, maybe even 5 times a month. So I'm really like grinding. On this account, I may post like 3 or 4 times a day, but I don't care what anybody else says. Posting 2 to 1 times a day, that's not gonna work out. Like, you gotta be like bang, 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 bang. At the same time though, make sure it's quality content, but you need to be getting the videos posted. I don't care about 1, 2 videos a day. That's not enough. You need to be posting more if you're trying to grow fast. If you're trying to grow over time, like in a few years, yeah, go ahead and post 1, 2 videos a day. You'll get there eventually. But if you're trying to grow fast, get them sales in, you need to be posting 4, 3 times a day. I don't want to say don't spam it and do like 5. That's a little bit too much, because then your video's gonna probably be stuck at like 200 views. Not shadow ban, but you're just posting too much, so they're gonna kind of lower your views, so you can stop spamming the algorithm. So keep that in mind. Depending on what you do, sometimes if you put like a lot of work into your videos, then of course, okay, I understand 2 videos a day, but if you're just recording those TikTok videos that take what, 10, 15, 20 minutes to make, you need to be posting 2 minimum to 4 maximum times a day. A good median in between that is 3 times a day. So you need to be grinding. Stop the excuses, okay? But I will not just be talking. I'm gonna also go record a YouTube video, a TikTok video, and show you guys the behind the scenes of these beanies that I am going to be dropping. So I'm gonna shoot like a little promo video, and you can go to I'm gonna post it on my main page, which has 80,000 followers. So you guys can go back and see how many views it got. So boom, here are the beanies right here, 5 colorways: black, white, gray, blue, and then pink. So I'm gonna go ahead, record the video, and then I will show you guys the final results. First thing first, you need to get a trending audio. You don't want to get no audio that's like that was trending like 2 years ago or like 1 year ago. Nah, out the window. Always new audios coming out, so there's a plethora of audios that you could choose from that are new and trending. All right, so you don't want to be behind the wave. All right, you need to be with the wave or ahead of the wave or catching the wave. You don't want to be back here and the wave's all the way over here. Come on now, that's not how it works. So always use trending audios. That's your best friend. Trending audios are your best friend. On TikTok, it's nothing crazy. I don't think it matters too much, but just use it because it definitely does help a lot. But with Instagram, trending audios are your best friend. Do not post a video if it is not a trending audio on Instagram, okay? Because trending audios, like your percentage of going viral is like all the way up here. If you don't use a trending audio, it might go viral and your percentage is like down here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and choose the audio. If you guys are looking for like inspiration, you don't know like where to get audios from, it's really simple. Just scroll on your TikTok or search up fashion. If you're trying to post a video about, let's say, beanies, search up fashion or outfit, streetwear, whatever, and then hit the little 3 arrows in the corner and then choose most liked and then choose, let's say, in a month period, in a month time frame. So it'll go ahead and show you the most liked videos that are related to fashion, streetwear, outfit, whatever, fashion. I already said that, but it'll just go ahead and show you those videos that are top liked, so you can go ahead and choose the audio that they use, and it will probably give you a higher chance of going viral since you're just using the audio that they use, rinse and repeat, but you're just putting your own spin on it, but you're using that same trending audio, so you can have a higher chance of going viral. But let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so I already got my audio chosen for this video. I went ahead and got it in advance. Right now it is trending. It has 76,000 videos underneath it so far. So let's go ahead and make it 76.7 thousand people, because I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm gonna probably have to mute it. But let's go ahead and do it. For the concept of this video, I have these beanies right here, or these balaclavas that this brand sent me. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these. The audio is like, you're so pretty but so popular, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you these right here. So you so pretty, I'm gonna show these ones right here, and I'll be like, but so popular, and then I'm gonna go ahead and then show mine, because these ones right here, they're like actually really popular. A lot of people are selling them, but come on now, these are underrated right here. Plus they drop in October 1st, which is this Sunday, so y'all get ready. First step, get you a tripod. No, I use this like every single day, especially for my videos. So a tripod is definitely something that you need to invest in. This is like a no-brainer right here. If you're a content creator, you're trying to be a content creator, you need this. But I am just doing this to show you guys that it is not hard to create videos. You need to stop being so freaking lazy and just get up and go record the content. It literally takes 30 minutes max to make a video. So 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh, is this so close? I think it might be too close. Alright, bet. Like that. Boom. And then you go back and review the footage to make sure you like it. I don't like it. Retake. And it's okay if you gotta retake the video a few times. Oh, that would be a hard transition right there. Let's see how it went through. So now I have the final product right here. I'll show you guys if it'll, there we go. Perfect. So there you go. Just a quick little calm, simple video just to show you guys that it's not hard to just create a video. So I'm gonna go ahead, speed this video up, and I'm gonna add some captions to the video to make it more interesting and engaging, and I'm gonna catch y'all once I finish. All right, so boom, go ahead, added some captions right there. If you guys can see that, I'm gonna go ahead and let it replay again once it finished playing. Any day now. There we go. All right, so I need a beanie that will stand out from all the other ones. And then boom, I just say, say no more. It's simple. It's simple, guys. I'm trying to tell y'all boys, it's simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and say, and on your in your caption, if you have like a brand, just say like, if they haven't dropped yet, say when they're gonna drop, or if they already have dropped, just be like site and bio to go cop, or website and bio, or my site is whatever. So just let them know like where they can get it, or when they can expect it to drop, or ask them what color. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna be like, what color are you copying? Beanie. And then also use relevant hashtags. So in this post right here, I'm gonna use beanie, fashion, streetwear, and then let's just say trending, I guess. Trending, that's cool. And let's just say winter. Winter is a good one right there because it's getting cold outside. They're looking for beanies. Perfect. And then boom. But if you guys are not on TikTok Shop, you need to get on there ASAP because you're already behind the wave. TikTok is pushing videos that have the TikTok Shop link on there on the video. So if you don't have it, you're missing out on a ton of views. But for right now, I can't use that because I don't have the beanies on TikTok Shop yet, because guess what? They're not releasing yet. So go ahead, double check the video before you post it, make sure everything's good. And right here, I'm going to go ahead and press post. As you guys can see right here, we have 80,000. So this is my account right here. And then go ahead and refresh. And here is the video right here. There we go. So if y'all want to go see what that video is at, y'all know what my TikTok is. It is Cali the Kid and then 1. So if y'all want to see what that video is at, by the time you're watching this video, go ahead, go over there and check it out, see what it's at. But just to show you guys, it's not hard to post. Just go on there, record. It literally takes 10 minutes. I just did it while recording this video, so of course you can go do it too. Also, you guys need to make sure, this little bonus tip right here, always make sure that your camera is clean. So just go like, and then boom, just wipe it off on your shirt. Simple. Front one, boom, wipe it off on your shirt. It takes 2 seconds. So always make sure your camera is clean so you can have the best photo and video quality. If not, it's gonna have, cause you know, you guys don't do it on purpose, but you know, you always get your fingers like on there, on the camera lens, stuff like that. So when you go to take a video, it's gonna be like a little foggy. It's gonna look foggy. So always just take 3 seconds out your day. Just clean your, wipe off your lens. Also, make sure you do it on like a little t-shirt or something. Don't do it on nothing that's gonna scratch the lens up, because they're gonna have to buy a whole new camera little setup right here. So just a little word for advice for you guys. Also, let's go ahead and dive into TikTok Shop. Actually, while we're talking about that, boom, I just got another sale on TikTok Shop. If you guys can see that, boom. And that was 2 minutes ago. So TikTok Shop is the new wave. Shopify is cool, but TikTok Shop, that is the new wave. Everybody and their mama be on TikTok, so you need to take advantage of that. Trust and believe. So along with having a Shopify website, you can also have a TikTok Shop account. What I see a lot of people do, I'm not gonna do it me personally, but they make the product like something like crazy. So let's just say my beanies, for example, on my website, my beanies would be $25, but on TikTok Shop, I'll make them like $1,000, $2,000, and that it goes. Trust me, it goes viral. Like people be like, "Why are you charging $2,000 for this?" And they just be like, "Hey, they're cheaper somewhere else. You can go check my website. You can go check out my website, which is in my bio, or my site is in my bio for cheaper." So just something like that. But trust me, I be seeing those videos all the time where they just freaking spike up the price of something like ridiculous on TikTok Shop, and then it converts people to go to their website instead to go purchase. So that's the method right there. I'm actually gonna try that, and hey, I'll let y'all know if it works in the next video. But I'm gonna go try that me personally. But this is like multiple ways to get views, especially with this new TikTok Shop feature, since it is brand new. So I recommend you guys hop on the wave. Do not be behind. You know how that saying go, if you're first to something, you're probably going to be the most successful. So you need to go all in on TikTok Shop. You can add anything on TikTok Shop. So don't be like, oh, I sell candles or something, I can't do that. Nope, you can add anything. TikTok Shop is just like Shopify pretty much. You can add whatever product in the world that you want to sell. But please do not be one of those people that is reselling fake AirPods and fake Bape hoodies and fake shoes on TikTok Shop. Please don't do that. Please, just don't do that. Please, don't be that person. Don't be that guy. But if this video helped you guys out, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions down below, just let me know, okay? Because I will respond to them. And I appreciate all the love and support. By the time you're watching the video, we're going to be at 10K. So I appreciate that. 50K on the way. And hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.